rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary K.
Hey everyone, this is Gary K, and welcome to a pre-InfoComm edition of my Rants and Raves video cast. I'm excited to be joined by a guest you have never seen me with, which is always exciting to introduce someone new to the Rants and Raves family. Chris Calavo. Now you may recognize the last name because his brother is part of, founder of Computer Comforts, and Chris is the VP of Sales of Computer Comforts. First off, Chris, welcome to Rants and Raves.
Yeah, hi Gary. Thank you very much.
I appreciate you coming on. I know, I always do these with your brother, and he's got that level of energy. So I'm gonna try to draw that out of you.
All right.
He's the most excited. Like it's amazing to me how excited he can get about furniture, but I know he's passionate about it. And your company has solved a lot of problems over the years. Even here at the University of North Carolina, where I teach,
Right.
you're going to be demonstrating some really cool new products. Four specifically, we'll talk about in just a second, in the Central Hall at InfoComm 2026 and booth 6029. You're going to have 10 products there, Chris, and you have 4 new products. And tell us about the 4 new ones.
Yeah, we're excited for this one. We got a much bigger booth this year. So our new products we have a dual monitor hideaway table. So that's our hideaway collaborative table. So that's one of our family of tables that we've had for over 20 years. So it's a nice new addition there. We got an AV hub, which is a 8U AV rack enclosure. So we'll have 2 models of that, as well as
you have a redesigned power lift, the
Yeah.
XL Electrum, which I had a chance to see for the first time. I think I was actually the one that debuted it originally, and now years later you've got a larger version of it. I think, right?
Exactly. So we've extended the bay to make it larger for more technology, and now this year we're excited because it's a new Molly grid panel. So no more wood panels. So a great way to easily mount all of your equipment inside the lectern. So we're excited about that.
And we're showing that right now on the screen. So that, and that, by the way, the AV hub comes in 2 sizes, 33 inches wide and 48 inches wide. So it accommodates small classrooms and large classrooms as well. We have them all over campus. And then of course, last year's InfoComm, you introduced the Evolve lectern. Emily and I actually got a chance to debut this here on campus last year, and the Access table. How are those products going from last year?
Yeah, the Evolve is booming. So we're shipping those all over the country. Very configurable products, so everyone's excited about that. And the Access table, just a great collaborative table, plus podcasting's huge, so it's a great application for that.
I'm excited. I love going by your booth and looking at the stuff. It's interesting that sometimes with all this technology, we overlook how to house it and how to make it simple to use. And I think that's what y'all have done. Plus, and this is really important, if you have a client who needs something customized, if they have an idea for something, hey, if we had this one thing, we could put it in, 40 of our classrooms or 20 of our conference rooms. If you have an idea, what's interesting about Computer Comforts is they'll actually design it and then build it for you. And I've seen you build a lot of custom stuff over the years, and even make custom modifications on your product. So that's something to keep in mind if you haven't ever dealt with the company. So Chris, I'm assuming, I know that your brother sort of, set the torch on fire here to launch your company. Are you carrying the torch to the next generation or what?
Yeah, well, I've been with the company for 30 years. So,
but now you're the face of the company. Like you've been
Right.
behind the scenes a little bit. Now you're going to be the face of the company. I understand.
Right.
You're going to take his place and start doing interviews with me.
That's right. That's right. Yeah, I'm excited about that. So it's fun to do and step in. He's got some big shoes. Well, my feet are bigger, but yeah, I got
Well, and congratulations. Just as a little side note, Chris's daughter's just been admitted to the University of North Carolina for a master's program. So congratulations. We'll get to see you more often. You're going to have a much bigger vested interest in making sure that we have some awesome technology here. So thanks a lot for doing this. I really appreciate
I'll have to get the swag.
There you go. Oh, yeah. Well, we got plenty of places to get it down here. Next time you're here, let us know. And hey, everyone, we got a lot more InfoComm to cover, and you can see all of our coverage at raypubs.com/InfoComm. And you can, of course, go to computercomforts.com. That's with an S at the end, computercomforts.com, to see their entire product line. Chris, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Gary. We'll see you in a couple weeks.
Yeah, in booth C6029. Mark that down.
Thank you.
rAVe Radio with Rance and